Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Creation. So my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling, and the same way, Amin. So my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, today's video is very great designing idea, and today I'm showing an all-head trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most demanding and best patterns of crochet granny square. Best patterns, best ideas for beginners. So my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, today's video is very great designing ideas. So lovely friends, I must suggest to you, watch this video till the end. You will find in our trendy ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Dear lovely friends and beautiful viewers, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos, and you will never miss my video in any collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Dear lovely friends and beautiful viewers, I will try my best to show all new ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. Dear lovely friends and beautiful viewers, you can get ideas so take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous outstanding ideas. So my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, we will be right back. Bye bye.